So we looked at various tethers and decided to go for these, for the Spinlock ones, partly the ease of use. We have got other tethers on the boat from different companies which are good and they absolutely do the job, but we found that a couple of them were catching on the webbing, so you end up sometimes, not always, sometimes having to sort of fumble around with your second hand where you shouldn't need to, and sort of untangle them, or sort of where they've caught on something. These are fantastic. They just, well, they are proper one-hand operation, which they have to be, and they've also got soft. It's cast aluminium rather than plate steel. They're slightly lighter, and the soft edges don't scratch the boat as you're dragging the thing around. And we've got the three clip option. Obviously, one stays always one of the short ones stays on your life jacket the whole time, and then you've got your long one for if we're in the cockpit at the helm. You've always got something on here, so at least you are attached in, and for leaving the cockpit. But if the weather's bad and you are using your jack line, you're sort of probably crawling along the coach roof, then tend to clip both the short and the long onto the jack line. Then you've got strong point on the mast to release your short tether, hook it on the mast, and you're attached in some sort of way, and you've got no chance of going overboard. And we've taken the jack stays, we've made new jack stays to keep them inboard, to keep you on the boat. Side deck jack stays will keep you attached to the boat, they won't keep you on the boat. So if you're shorthand sailing, they're basically not a lot of good. So yeah, anyway, they've been fantastic.